na isang BPO company magha-hire ng person with disability. Hi, my name is Desiree Mapalad. I am an ATL for our deaf team.
May mga time ba na nahirapan ka intindihin sila, i-coach sila? Anong mga challenges mo as a coach?
Coaching them. Kasi their perspective is different on our perspective. Walang masyadong makakaintindi sa amin because we are deaf. So, ang makakaintindi sa amin is mostly yung kagaya lang namin. I tried to connect myself. I slowly learn para mag-adapt sa community nila.
Any success story?
Kasi I don't have any idea on how to do sign language. What I did is, I made a video. And I send it to them so that meron silang visual because our deaf team is a visual learner. Nag-sign ako, in-explain ko, dinescribe ko. My team can retain those information na kailangan nila para sa work nila.
What's your motivation to do it?
It is a great opportunity that Concentrix hired our deaf experts na isang BPO company magha-hire ng person with disability, especially for our deaf team. It automatically encourage me na kung walang magsa-stand up for our deaf team, sino yung kayang mag-stand up? There is something in our deaf team that they can do na other people cannot, that they can excel in their own way.
Hi, my name is Maria. I'm from Alatri. So I do have here a 15-year-old son. Last month, we had a very challenging month kasi my autism son was diagnosed with cancer. So yung cancer niya is a colon cancer. Yung anak ko, nang malaman niya yon, nahirapan siyang mag-cope up. Parang na-depress din ako kasi hindi ko rin din alam kung paano ko na rin i-approach. Kasi I'm working at the same time, I need emotional support. Tapos, yung anak ko din kailangan. So, hindi ko alam kung anong bang gagawin ko. Magiging nanay ba muna ako o magpapakatao muna ako. Ito yung pinaka-best part ng offer ni Concentric, which is Rebel. Hindi ko na siya masabi sa mga friends ko kasi that I saw Rebel na nakapost sa Alatri. And what's good about this is that free siya. Una, kinakabahan ako kasi baka mamaya ma-judge ako or baka masyadong mahirap yung proseso. Binigyan lang nila ako ng link sa email and then there, ako na yung pumili ng kung sino yung psychologist ko. Yung psychologist ko, she's a good listener. Yung kanyang advice is very professional. So, doon ko nalaman na kailangan pala maging matatag ka muna, ikaw muna, bago mo maibigay yung strength na yan sa son mo. And it really helped me release the stress, and I will not be able to have that if I am not with Concentric. So, thank you.
Concentrix Buddies, this is Lee,
This is Jet.
and we're here to ask questions to our experts.
On what do they love about Concentrix?
Let's go!
Hi, my name is Jiro. I've been with Concentrix for 11 years.
Hello, my name is Joe Marcarian. I've been in the company in Concentrix for 10 years already.
Hi, I'm Christopher Minyosa. I've been with the company for almost 7 years now.
Hi, I'm Mariel, 6 years here in Concentrix.
My name is Ari and I've been with Concentrix for 2 years now. One thing that I love the most about Concentrix is how they take care of their employees.
Ang mga kasama namin sa production, they're so very kind and very approachable. So kahit new hires kami, hindi nila kami tinatrato ng iba and sobrang okay ng pakikitungo nila sa amin.
So nakaka-engganyo ka mag-work. So hindi siya nakaka-pressure everyday.
So, regarding about sa mga teammates ko, iba-iba yung ages nila and also about yung gender. So, everyone is being welcomed and also respected.
And what I love with Concentrix is the culture and the way we support each other.
To grow up and to enhance your capabilities.
making sure that they're safe, and
they make me feel special, and most importantly, they are open to suggestions.
The management, because they focus on the experts and agent, making sure everything's fair. So
yung support na nakukuha ko being a working student, hindi ako nahihirapan na humingi ng tulong sa mga leaders namin para bigyan ako ng time na asikasuhin yung sa school ko.
like if there's a family celebration, they make sure that they're just not working but they were able to celebrate with their family.
And siyempre, the bosses, the management, so that's why I've stayed here for 14 years. So, yun.
And not only that, I love the people that I work with. I've actually grown into a better person and learned a lot because of those people that I work with.
I get to share knowledge and inspire other people.
The opportunity to continuously learn. There are a lot of Concentrix University courses that definitely helped me and now as a quality supervisor.
So, if you love seeing that kind of people like working around you, it's really enhances you to work more.
Concentrix!